Hi guys, I'm Eric. I want to welcome you guys to RV Country. Take a look at the new 27 North Adventure Van. Today we're going to do a little walkthrough, kind of show you what it has, some of the offers, some of its features. One of my favorite things about this new unit is all the lighting that it provides. On this coach, you have lights everywhere. You have light bars up top, 2 lights up here in the front, and if you walk around this way, you'll notice these gigantic illumination lights in the front as well. These have little plastic covers on them, so any rock chips or any branches or anything like that, it'll actually stop it. But when you need to use the light, you just pop that right off. If you come back around this side, again, this is 360 lighting around the whole coach. Up top again, you have another light as well. You come around to the back side and you'll notice again, another light as well. So what this one actually does is it's right next to the backup camera. And if you guys have ever backed anything up, especially in the dark, you know it's extremely tricky, very tough. This will illuminate the whole rear end of the coach. So you can back up with confidence knowing you're not gonna hit anything. You keep coming around to the side over here, you're gonna notice another light as well. So again, 360 illumination around this whole coach. Also, one of the things that I like about it is its marine grade speaker system. This is all sealed speakers, also waterproof, so all marine grade. So any of the weather conditions, anything like that isn't gonna affect your outdoor stereo system. One more thing, guys, I wanted to mention about the 27 North Adventure Van is the upgrade that they did on their suspension. You got the Agile Off-Road Suspension Kit assembled on here. So great for off-roading, great for driving down the highway, very smooth setup that they put on here. Also, they put the seal savers on that. So any grime, any dirt, any mud, any debris that would get into the seals, break the seals, everything's kept all sealed up and clean. So a little bit more money that they spend on it right now is gonna save you a ton of money later for maintenance. Inside this 27 North, they actually put an enclosed garage for you. What you're gonna get is you're gonna be able to hang your mountain bikes, your e-bikes. You could drill the holes right into the wall on this. There's no electrical behind it, no plumbing, anything to worry about. You could put snowboards in here, all your backpacks, hiking gear, anything you need can go right inside this garage. If you take a look, they also throw in all these cool accessories for you. Some of these things, I mean, you got your fresh water hose, you got your 30 amp smart plug that goes with this coach. Also, one of the cool things I saw was they throw in an air compressor for you, 12-volt air compressor. How easy is this to dump? People who have had motorhomes and trailers and fifth wheels knows there's a lot of hoses to hook up, a lot of valves to deal with. Right here, you press one button. You can do it from the comfort in the inside of the coach. Press the button, opens up the gray valve, you dump your gray water. Restroom right through the back. Open up the doors. Look how convenient this is. You do have, if you want a little bit more privacy, you just unclip this. You've got your shower curtain here or a blackout curtain. Whether you're using the restroom or taking a shower, you're all fully enclosed. Or if you just want to open it up, get a little bit better view, you can do that. Another great thing that I like that they're not doing is putting a door here. That would kind of close this off, make it a little bit more claustrophobic for somebody like me. So I like the fact that they did a curtain, so I have the option of opening this up, maybe getting a crosswind through here, or being able to just get a better view. Guys, you gotta check this out. How simple is this awning? Door automatic, one button, awning is going out. I love being able to have just a little bit extra shade. A lot of Class Bs do not have any awnings on them. So it's wonderful that 27 North added this to this coach. So now that we're inside, guys, I'm just gonna show you a few things that this has to offer you. As small as just your self-cleaning shower door. Inside here, you have a squeegee basically that is built in. So every time you open and close the door, cleans off all the water. No mold, no mildew on the door itself. So that was pretty awesome. Coming into the lounge area, you've got your swivel lagoon table. So you got lagoon table, 3 of them inside. Solid bamboo, guys. This isn't plastic, it's not fiberglass, all wood, all bamboo. If you want to cool off a little bit during the day or during the night, you like to sleep with a fan on, you got your 12-volt fan here with a high, off, or low setting. You guys also noticed that there's no cabinet doors in here, okay? So there are a few reasons why they did that. One, to keep it open where you can see what's back there if you need to get to a flashlight or a map or whatever it is you're looking for, it's more accessible. Number two, weight. They took the cabinet doors off, that saves weight. Number three, inside this netting cargo net, you can open it up, you can throw things right in there. No problem, you got your remotes, your glasses, your cell phone, maps, whatever you want. Very accessible right there. You step over, you see your entertainment center. This TV comes on a swivel. So anywhere you want, if you're in the restroom, you want to stay up on the game or watch the race, no problem. If you're in the lounge area, it's set up here. The two Lagoon tables, these will actually drop down onto the ledge here, and the cushions go over the top. That'll make your queen size bed. Another great thing that you'll see on this is their industrial, it's a poly subfloor, and what that means to you guys is it is waterproof, guys. Why is that important? Waterproof means that there is no mold, no mildew, no rot that is gonna happen on the floor. You've got, again, residential style faucets, steel braided, bamboo countertops. You can move your little cutting board out of the way. You got a dish drying rack here. You can move that out of the way. You'll notice you've got a 10-inch deep stainless steel sink. So if you got those bigger pots and pans, a lot of people that travel will know the sinks are quite small. This one you can get all the way down in there. You look over at the stove section. You don't have one, you have two induction stove tops. So great for cooking. Underneath your sink, all the plumbing is put back in the back. You've got a water filtration system so you can have the cleanest drinking water wherever you're at. They think of everything. You step over here to your wet sound system. So this one was pretty unique. I haven't seen this in any motorhome ever. So this is more marine grade quality. And what I mean by that is this is all sealed up. Their speaker system inside and out is all marine grade, all waterproof. So they can handle the elements outside, they can handle the sun, they can handle the rain, they can handle the snow, it doesn't affect them. Also, why is it sealed up is when you go into humidity places and you get that condensation buildup, that's going to give you a problem with your electrical components. Okay, so rust and things like that on your electrical components. Not with the wet sound system, it's all sealed up. They give you these cool little covers too to plug it up. Over here, you have your power supply set up. So just by a touch of a button, you can see how much power you have left on, how much life you have left on your battery setup, how much wattage you're using. Everything is displayed so simple, anybody can do this. Both seats are swivel. Captain and co-captain seats are 100% swivel around. So you turn this around. This is another lounge spot for you, very comfortable. You can bring this in, maybe you want to have dinner here or breakfast, have a drink, just look outside. Everything is fully accessible for you. Everything just pushes and moves around for you, super accessible. Sitting in this cockpit is extremely comfortable. Everything that I need is within arm's touch. I mean, just holding onto this leather wrapped steering wheel, it feels very luxurious. Everything up here is Mercedes. So you know you're gonna expect luxury when you're sitting in a Mercedes. You've got all your power here, your power seats, power windows, all the way through to your navigation system. You've got brake assist, lane assist, crosswind assist. I've never even seen that on a coach yet. So just absolutely top-notch luxury in all their coaches. Coming up here, just to add a little bit more storage for you, cupboard, cup holders, more storage, more plugins, keep your phones charged. Storage all the way across. They spared no expense. They used everything they possibly could for storage and accessibility. I want to thank you for coming down to RV Country today and allowing me to do a walk around and show you some of the new product that we got. The new 27 North Adventure Van was something I had to show you. So again, I want to thank you. And if you have any questions or anything like that, give me a call. My name is Eric, down here at RV Country.